Good morning, everybody. I am going to walk you guys through how to use Schoology to make sure that you're seeing everything that your teachers have put up for you to see. So here I am at my Schoology login, and you're going to see on your course dashboard every class that you're enrolled in. So there's all of our classes. So you'll also see that you have an upcoming assignments. So when your teacher makes a due date on your assignment, it's going to show up right here. Now, you could just click on this and it would take you to your assignment and show you what you need to do for that assignment. But that isn't actually the best way to use Schoology. The best way is to click on every class period. So we're going to go into my class right now. And the first thing you see on my class is a virtual band hall. So all of these pictures link to different things that we're going to use throughout the year. So for example, if I click on this picture, it's going to take me to a YouTube video of Ride of the Valkyries, which is one of our music memory pieces for this year. So I could listen to it just by clicking on that picture in my virtual classroom. Now let's go back to Schoology. So I could also click here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to see what my assignments are for that day. So I'm going to click on Monday. And you're going to see that I have the discussion that I knew is due on Monday, but I also have a video for a rhythm lecture, and then I have an assignment called Record Your Rolls, and then there's a link down here called Roll a Die. So all of these are things that I need to do on Monday. Now, my class will have usually a discussion and then some sort of lecture and then some sort of assignment for the day. So you'll usually have 3 things. This is just a link to a website to help you with this assignment. So there's usually going to be 3 to 4 things posted per day. It should take you 30 to 45 minutes to complete all these things. Most of the time, it'll be closer to 30. At any rate, if I didn't click on my class and then find my days folder, then I wouldn't know about this lecture. And this lecture is going to help me with my assignments. So it's really important that I click on my class and find everything that my teachers have posted. Okay? So there's one more thing I wanted to talk about, and that's in my virtual band hall. These links for the days will upload automatically at 7:30 in the morning. I had some issues with that last week, but I think I figured it out this weekend. And so everything is going to automatically upload at 7:30 in the morning. So you should be able to access it at 7:30. Okay? So that's it for this welcome video today. I'm actually going to put it in Monday's folder after I post it on YouTube. So make sure you watch this video, and then that'll tell you how to use Schoology to your best advantage. Have a good day, everybody.